Good evening.
Yeah, my server, don't tell me.
Welcome all to the different type of program, a unique program. And this program is a unique program, a Hawaiian concept of reconciliation and forgiving, let me put in that way. That's what the Google says. And I don't venture to spell this particular program because if I want to spell, I don't know whether I'll be totally misspelling it. Ho'oponopono. It might be totally wrong. But this is a different type of a meditation program. And when Krishnamani Madam volunteered to take this particular program, I was pretty excited because we will all have an access to a new generation, different type of a program. Krishnamani Madam, please take it forward, madam.
Can I?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, everyone can hear me?
Yes.
Clearly? Become? Okay, thank you. Good evening.
Only it is little louder.
Oh yeah, what to do now? I'll have to reduce this. I'll stand like this. Now it's better?
Little
Okay.
low.
Good evening. And thanks to Sengupta sir for allowing me to take this session. This is no teaching, only sharing. What you all know by now that I'm very fond of sharing. Whatever I learned or I experienced, I always share it with my MRL friends. Because sharing is caring and you all care for me, I also care for you. So I will start with the presentation first and then we will do the practical meditation also. Okay? Can you all see the screen? Kindly tell me.
Yes,
One
we can
minute.
see.
Can see the screen, right?
Yes,
Madam, yes.
Okay, sir. See, this is somebody asked the pronunciation. It is, some people say Ho'oponopono, some people say Ho'oponopono. So pronunciation is very different because it is of a foreign matter. It's not known much because it has not been propaganda for as a therapy, this thing. But it is from a small island in Hawaii. It's, although not known much, it's extremely very self-transformation technique. It is originated from Hawaii and originally taught by one, this also pronunciation could be wrong, Murna Nalamaku Simona. Murna was a healer in their community and in 1983 she received a great honor by being designated as a living treasure of Hawaii. However, she has not made it public or anything. Like all heart-based indigenous cultures, the Hawaiian culture is rich with endless jewels, one of the many jewels in the practice of Ho'oponopono. It means the fortune of forgiveness. They call it as Nakala. The fortune of forgiveness means including a profound code of forgiveness. They believe that when we forgive others, we are also forgiving ourselves. Kala means to unite, unbind and set free. In simple words, like we say, it can be let go compared to that. And Ho'oponopono means to set right or to rectify an error. Effectively, it means to make it right with the ancestors in their community or their family, friends, anyone having anything with whom or they have a relationship. It can include even inanimate objects like vegetables or minerals or our own planet and animals. It simply means to set or make things right, to reconcile things. If there is a problem in a family or a person is ill in the family, what they do, the haku or the head of the family or the community calls the family together for a Ho'oponopono session. There they resolve the issues. They feel that somebody becomes ill only because of being very unsettled inside. So Dr. Liu was the person responsible for using this theory, and his story was published not by him. He was a very self-distinct person. So it was published by one Joe Vitale who interviewed him, and the book written by Joe Vitale is the basis of this learning of mind, Zero Limits. And it is, they allow us to replicate, do anything with that. This is the story of how the Hawaiian State Hospital criminally insane ward was dissolved. When I learned about this process some years ago, I could relate it to a few seemingly different concepts. Like we also know the Eastern concept of karma. It is also about how thoughts and actions influence others and not merely our own future. We say, no, our mind says body language changes. Seeing that the samne wale ka bhi body language change hota hai. So it's that concept. Then there is Western Jungian psychological concept of collective unconscious. Is about how all of us in this planet influence one another. It is a fact we all accept also. And these two resonate with the Eastern concept of collective consciousness and quantum physics, concepts of how observer influences what is observed. The Hawaiian healing process called Ho'oponopono, I'll keep on repeating it so you will get used to that word, Ho'oponopono, used by the therapist Hewlett in Hawaii for curing a complete ward of criminally insane people without even seeing any of them. The psychologist he would study the inmate's chart and then look within himself how he created the person's illness. This is his beautiful concept that how he is responsible. He was in that hospital for 4 years. That ward where they kept criminally insane was very dangerous. He works on the principle, we are responsible for what we do and also for what anyone else who is in our lives does. मेरे जिंदगी में जो होता है, I am responsible. Those who come into my life because of his posting, they came into his life. तो उससे even he is responsible for them. That hospital was very, very bad and people quit. No psychologist was ready to work there. They will quit on monthly basis. The staff over there will just take sick leave. And a lot of simply leave the job. That much they were irritated with staying there. People would walk through that ward with their back against wall. किसी से डरते हैं तो हम कैसे चलते हैं? So they were fear. There was a fear of being attacked by the patients who were shackled also. It was not a pleasant place to live, work or visit. But Dr. Len never saw patients. He agreed to have an office, review their files. This principle which I like because sometimes we also have a ego. We don't want to go and seek forgiveness or say sorry to somebody in person, not necessarily ego, sometimes out of shame or whatever it is. And then he would go on seeing the files and he would work on himself. As he worked on himself, patients began to heal, which was really a wonder. After a few months, patients who had to be shackled in chains were being allowed to walk freely, which was a very, very, very unbelievable thing for them. And others who had to be heavily medicated, they were getting off their medicines. And those who had no chance of ever being released were being freed. उनको छूट जाते थे. 1 minute, मेरा हैंग हो गया शायद. 1 second, I will start again with this thing. मैं किसी को admit किया तो हैंग हो गया. हाँ. So what happened after his work was people started coming to work. Absenteeism and turnover, this thing disappeared. Hospital ended up with more staff than needed because people were being released, not needing staff to look after them, and patients were being also released. And the staff was showing up as well. Today, I believe that the ward is closed. This was because while going through the files, he kept saying, I'm sorry, I love you. Over and over again. This therapy is based on a reconciliation and forgiveness. So, Ho'oponopono is defined as mental cleansing. It was like family conferences, which I said no, they would do Same way, conferences in which relationships were set right through prayers, they don't call it a discussion or a prayer. They call it a Ho'oponopono prayer. And there are, if you go to YouTube, there are a lot of for setting relationships, for deep sleep, for various things. There is a different prayers of Ho'oponopono, but what we are discussing today will suffice for us definitely enough. Confession, repentance, and mutual restitution and forgiveness is what they did. And then he felt this was able to clear away stress quickly, yet through only saying simple phrases over and over again. हम लोग ढूंढते हैं so many things, 1 year course, this, that, and all. And when something is very easy and free, we don't realize the importance of it. Only if we believe it will definitely work. So simple phrase, if we keep saying loud or in mind. The technique has been used very successful by large number of people worldwide. Once Joe Vitale made it public, till then people were not knowing about it. Actually, it remained in the limits of Hawaii Island only, and it has brought wonderful changes to many people. Now, what is forgiving and how this will work as a miracle? ऐसे मैं बोलती रहूंगी, I love you, please forgive me, and so and so, so and so. It's not so. If you have truly forgiven someone, then just like you would for anyone else, you will wish for them to go ahead, succeed. For yourself also, the same thing you will wish for that person. Forgiveness means you have stopped keeping a score of all the person's wrongdoings. इसने मुझे ये किया, इसने मुझे उस दिन ये किया, and all that. We stop it. That mentality we get. Then forgiveness is a choice by us. It's a release of anger and any bitterness or grudge towards anyone. Ho'oponopono is not a cognitive process, so people will try to look logic into it or anything. It is an emotional, spiritual, and energy process. There is energy all around us. ऊर्जा तो हमारे around हमेशा रहती है. So if we use it for emotional good and spiritual good, it works. According to me, why it works is it creates a transformational shift from normal habit of blaming others for the negative situation we are in or for them. हमेशा हम बोलते हैं ना, उसने बोला इसलिए मैंने ऐसे किया हो गया, नहीं तो उसने ऐसा किया था इसलिए उसको ऐसा भुगत रहा है. It is like blaming for something. If you remove the blame game, and this will work fantastically. Also, we are taking responsibility, even if it has nothing to do with us. Sometimes, once we accept responsibility, our universal nature of forgiving and loving takes over as a healing process for us and others. What we need is vulnerability and humility to practice this. Now it is said, we all understand, when we look outside, we only dream. But when we look inside, many of our lectures by many people, by Swamiji, Udayji, and so many people, they have said, when you look inside, there is an awakening. And that awakening is required for following this. And what now I will read is very, very non-digestible for us, but we will go through that. Dr. Lane explained that total responsibility of a life means everything in your life, simply because it is in your life. Like he was posted in an insane world. You are all in my life. It is my responsibility. In a literal sense, the entire world is my creation. Oh, this is tough to swallow. Being responsible for what I say or do is one thing. But being responsible for what everyone in my life says or does is quite another thing. Yet the truth is, if you take complete responsibility for your life, then everything you see, hear, taste, touch, in any way, experience is your responsibility because it is in your life. You are not an island out of your life. I have always understood total responsibility to mean that even आप लोग को भी वही लगता होगा. I am responsible for what I do. Beyond that, it is not in my hands, Baba. I think that most people think of total responsibility in the same way. We are responsible for what we do, not for anyone else does. But it is tough to grasp his principles, but let alone accept and actually live it. Blame is far easier than responsibility. But As interviewers spoke with Dr. Len, they began to realize that healing for him through Ho'oponopono means loving yourself. He doesn't say shaming anybody, firing anybody, or anything negative. He always says love yourself, love others. If you want to improve your life, you have to heal yourself first. They say no, even change, bring the change in yourself. Same way, if you want to cure anyone, even a mentally ill criminal, you have to do by healing yourself is what he believed. But he never said, I am healing anybody. He was very adamant. I am not doing any healing on behalf of anyone else or for me. It will be manipulative. He was a very simple man. He is doing only clearing, cleansing, reflection, projection, thus healing himself, period. He didn't want to go beyond that. However, interviewers asked him any questions. Now, this Joe Vitale, the person is the author of Zero Limits. He said, let me check this out. हम लोग सब सोचते हैं ना, whether it works or not, let us check it out. So, one day someone sent him an email which upset him very badly. He was on the verge of replying a very nasty reply. But then he said, let me try Hewlett's method. So he kept saying, I'm sorry and I love you. And he didn't say it to anyone in particular. He simply kept on repeating it himself. And it was simply evoking the spirit of love to heal within him. And he was creating outer energy of love and kindness. Within an hour, he got an email from the same person who apologized for his previous nasty mail. Remember, he didn't reply, he didn't say anything outwardly. He just said these words, and by saying this, what healed within him made the other person heal and say sorry. And mind you, this is not a story. It happened to Joe Vitale. Plus, I have also had experience in the same way with many of my friends were in Adatta or anywhere else, wherever I have conducted this session. One or two of them definitely come and say, there is one lady who had a little this thing with her sister. It was like on some topic they argued and all that. She says, but I don't want to go and talk to her or see. So she did this after attending the session, and she rang up after 2 days. Veena, my problem is resolved. So if we believe anything is possible, वो बोलते हैं ना, मानो तो भगवान नहीं मानो तो पत्थर. It's like that. Trust and faith will bring results definitely. We can do it every person in our life with whom we are in a conflict, with or not aligned, to see if it has worked. Think of a person, and we will be doing it in next 5 minutes, and see whether you have any negative emotion. If you do have, उसके बारे में आपको negative लगता है, तो you repeat this process. It may take few repetitions only. और किसके साथ हमारे अनबन है, वो automatically it will be resolved. Stress reduction, who doesn't need stress reduction now? Is simply doing it on ourselves also. We will get stress relief, because as a man thinketh, so his conflict resolution for individuals and groups also becomes. It's very simple. You don't have to do anything. Only thing is be comfortable. So many things are written. Don't bother. Just sit comfortably. सादा inhale exhale कीजिए, deep breath एक बार लेके. When we do it, not now. And then there is no need for any manipulated breathing or nothing like that. Be normal. And the magic words are these: I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you. So इसका meaning देखते हैं. Repentance is I'm sorry. Ask for forgiveness is please forgive me. Gratitude, which is very important, thank you. Love is kindness. Spread it around. And there is no order needed for this. You can repeat it as you remember. अरे by heart करना है, इसी क्रम में बोलना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We can do as we want. But before going to do that, we have seen at least in our multi-religion Indian setup, in Jainism, similar things to this. In Jainism, in Payushan season, they do michami dukkatam. If I have caused you offense in any way, knowingly or unknowingly, in thought, word, deed, then I seek your forgiveness. This is what it's a cleansing in literally, cleansing yourself for anything you did knowingly or unknowingly. In Islam too, we have the concept of seeking forgiveness from Allah, Laylat al-Baraha, and they do have the seeking of forgiveness. And all of us know in Christianity the confession. Even the Pope says, Pope Francis, even I go to the confession every 15 days because he is also in human this thing. Even you, I, anybody, it is not that talking positive, thinking positive, we are always like that. We are not. We are after all not saints, human beings. So, and in Hinduism also we say dip in Ganga purifies you, seeking forgiveness, penance, prayaschitta, etc. But I would like to read one small prayer of forgiveness for Lord Shiva. Karacharana kritam vakyayajam karmajam va shravana nayanajam va manasam va aparadam vihitam avihitam va sarvamet tvakshamasva jaya jaya karunabhyas Shri Mahadeva Sambhu. Many of us know the meaning. For those who don't know, it is similar to what we say whenever sins are committed by me, performed by hands, feet, produce, knowingly, unknowingly. Anybody wants, I leave the screen for 10 seconds, you can read it. Shall I go ahead? Then who can forget Buddha, who says always the peace and everything comes from within. So we will do this meditation. Thank you for your patient listenings. Now I want everyone, I think all of you are muted. Remain muted because knowingly or unknowingly, you may say it loud. So others could get distracted. So remain muted, but please go ahead, say loud, say in mind whatever you want. And before that, one of you please confirm to me you can hear this.
I love you. I'm sorry.
Can you all hear louder? I want because
Thank you.
I can't hear so
I love
voice.
you.
Yes,
I'm
we can
sorry.
hear.
Okay, then now mute yourself, Chandrakant, and
Thank you. I love
keep
you.
saying this. And remember,
sorry.
any person you have a conflict with, you will see the difference.
Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank
Yeah.
you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank 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 you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. 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 I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry.
Finish.
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm putting my this thing. Is it heard even now? I've stopped sharing now. Oh, 1 second. Just a minute. Give me a second.
No, it's okay.
1 minute. I'll escape. I've stopped sharing actually. Now the screen
it's-
is not seen,
It's
na?
okay, Veena.
No,
Screen is not there.
Okay. That's what it will continue. See, we cannot follow everything like they said. Ki, whole responsibility, total responsibility for the whole world. No, but I can take at least for me and my nearby ones. And jitna bhi positive socho, bolo. Again, some negativity comes during the course of our days follows. Again, we have to cleanse it. So it's a continuous cleansing process which will help us in healing ourselves and people around us. And you can, the beauty of it is you can imagine and do it without even literally facing them. Is it not wonderful? Hello?
Yes, very much.
Yes, madam. Very wonderful.
Yes,
Vijay
it's very
Lakshmi,
nice.
Vijay Lakshmi, you want to share any experience?
Veena, can I say
Ah.
something?
No.
Please, yeah, Samata,
Veena? Yes.
please.
These confession cell में जाके something confessing to God, that I don't believe. If you do any harm to others, go to that person.
This
Ask
theory
him
is,
forgiveness. That is more important than confessing in a cell to a priest.
sometimes what happens, Samta,
That becomes that brain will be cleared to commit another mistake.
No,
So
but then
confession is
what?
not to God or to a priest. Confession to a person to whom we have done wrong. That is the actual confession.
That is best. But then when any religion order, we cannot interfere in their thinking or their following. It is up to them.
No, no,
But at least you take it out. It is taken out, no? See, unless you realize, you will not confess. A realization follows before confession. I mean, precedes before a confession. Unless somebody is realized his mistake,
Asking money, maaf kar do, maaf puchna is more important.
Yes.
And another thing I believe is forgiveness continuously should not be there. You should have some anger in you.
hey,
Then
but
only the
we should not read.
some bad things will not happen to us.
That is right for justice.
Prithviraj Chauhan forgave